Okay, so let's wrap this up together and see if we can get it all done. All right. So the two tests, we get the homogeneity and independence are very similar, but of course they are different. So I hate this. The homogeneity test, you're looking at a category or a categorical variable. And the data is from several populations or treatments. If the data comes from two or more independent samples or treatment groups in a randomized experiment, you're going to do your test for homogeneity, and you just have to state what you're doing. You're still basically doing a chi-square test, but you just got to say which chi-square test you're doing. Okay. Independence. Chi-square of independence. Chi-square test for independence. Wow. Anyway, test whether two categorical variables are associated in some population of interest. Going back to our length of fingers. If the data comes from a single random sample with individuals classified according to two categorical variables, use a chi-square test for independence. All right. When you guys get into a little bit higher statistics, you get to actually do several. The chi-square test is always a two-sided test, meaning that we're not going to say it's less than or greater than. We're saying that it's not. It is either like the null hypothesis, there is no association, and the alternative would be there is an association. So when we say that, that's our two-sided test. One-sided test is when we're going to sit there and say it's less than or greater than, that type of thing. Okay. And then if we need to, you may have to go back, and if they want to find the difference in proportions, then we need to go back and do our z-test from chapter 10 that we did, the difference in proportions. Okay. And then we can group quantitative data into groups and to change it into a category, right? So the easiest thing to do is think about is the age. You can change the age really quick into something that is useful and easy for us to use. Sorry. Okay. Lastly, good, the orange did show up. What do we do if the expected counts is less than 5? Well, there's two things you can do. The first thing is well, I put it as second. If it doesn't work and it's not going to work out well with the test and the things aren't looking well, then you just state that it's not going to be, you cannot perform a chi-square test because the expected counts are less than 5. One of the things you could try is you could try collapsing your rows into, like, say you have one that they're basically the same thing and you put them together. All we have to do is just state that says, hey, this category and this category fit together, so we put them together, and now all our expected counts or our expected counts works. So we're good to go. If you have the time, take the time to look at page 721. That's just a computer readout. It shows you how to look at it and that type of thing. That would be more useful for the AP test, but they're not gonna. I don't think they're gonna put that on there. When I write the final for our final for the CSI one, I'm not gonna include that, and I should be working on over next couple of days trying to get you a kind of a rough draft of what we're looking for, what I'm going to test on, that type of thing. So we are going to have 2 homework assignments. They're right there. So I think we'll be good to go there. I'm not going to do a chapter 11 test. There will be a 11-2 quiz. And I think that would be okay for us. The last thing I have to cover, I'm not going to do chapter 12. I got the okay not to cover it for CSI. I guess they're cutting that stuff out too, so that's even better for us. And then we are going to just do the F test, and I should have that ready to go soon. To kind of let you know what's going on in my life right now, my wife's dad had a stroke, and so it's kind of cut into a little bit of our teaching time. So We'll make it work, make sure everything's okay. If anything comes up, let me know. Send me an email. Love to hear from you guys.